Good morning children. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Madhyan Nagar. This video is for class 3rd and today we are going to do revision of chapter 16, 17, 18 in your mathematics subject. The topics are measures of length, measures of mass and measures of capacity. In this we are going to understand the conversion and then we will do the operations on measurements. Now children, as you know that whenever we measure things, fixed things, like a distance or length, we measure in kilometers and meters and centimeters. And when we measure weight, we measure in kilograms and grams. And when we measure liquids or capacity, then we measure in liters and milliliters. Now I am going to tell you how we are going to change it or how we are going to convert the units. Now let us see the first question. 2000 meters, this we are going to change into kilometers. Now as you know, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So whenever we change from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply, and whenever we change from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are changing from meter to kilometers. That means we are going from smaller unit to bigger unit. So we are going to divide by 1000. Okay, 2000 divided by 1000. Now you can see I have written in fractions, as fractions have the relation of division. Now here at the end 3 zeros are there in the denominator. Here also you can see 3 zeros are there. So you can cut it very easily. So answer is 2 kilometers. Okay. Now see the next one. 6 kilogram, 3 grams, you have to change in grams. Okay. Now here also children, you see this is already in grams, so no need to change. And this is in kilograms, so this part you will change into grams. So 1 kg, K means kilo, and kilo has a value of 1000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Here how many kgs are it? 6 kg. So this 6 kg will be changed into grams by multiplying it with 1000. It will give you 6000 grams. Now, which is already in grams, this you will add here and start adding from the right hand side here. Otherwise, what you do, you start adding from here, that will give you the wrong answer. So start from here. So 3 grams. So add it. Both the units are same. Now when you will add, you will get the answer 6003 grams. So we have changed 6 kg 3 grams into grams. So we have got 6003 grams. Now children, see part 14 meter, you have to change into centimeters. Now how you are going to change? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So meter is bigger and centimeter is smaller if you compare them. So you will multiply by 100 because you are changing from bigger unit to smaller unit. So 14 meter will be 14 into 100. It will give you 14 ones are 14 and 2 0 is just added. So this is 1400 centimeters. Now let's see the next question. Now this you are going to change into liters. Liquid 4069 ml is milliliters. It is given to you. You have to change into liters. Now you know that 1000 ml means 1 liter. So which is bigger? Liters. Now you are changing from milliliters to liters. So what you will do? You will divide by 1000. So divide it by 1000. Now very easy process children. Instead of going the long process, you can do very easily division. See, in the denominator 3 zeros are there, 1, 2, 3. So what you do, you start counting the number on the numerator from the right hand side, 3 numbers, because 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. So 0, 6, 9. Here you will write the smaller unit first, milliliters. Okay, and the number before this 0 is 4. This will be your liters. Whatever the number it is. After 3 numbers, from counting from the right hand side, after 3 numbers, whatever the number written before that, that will be the liter part. That's it. So very easy. And if you divide also, I'll show you 4-digit numbers. This is also 4-digit numbers. Now you divide 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, 3s are 3000, 4s are 4000. So 4000. Because 1000 5s are 5000 will be bigger than this dividend, 4069. When you will divide, you will get the remainder 69, 2-digit number. Now 69 will be your milliliter part, because remainder part is always your smaller unit, and the quotient part is your bigger unit. So this way also you can do, but this is the easiest way. Now another question, children. 60,000 meters you are now changing into kilometers. So how you are going to change it? This also what you will do. See, you know 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Kilometer is bigger than meters. So when you change this, what you have to do? You have to divide, because smaller unit to bigger unit you are going. So 60,000 is mentioned here. So you will divide by 1000. Now how many zeros are there in the kilometer? 3. So numerator also you will cut the same number of zeros. At the end zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what is left? 60. So what is your answer? 60 kilometers. Okay. Then F part. Now 4 liters, 79 milliliters. You have to change it to milliliters. Now here only this part is the liter part. This is already in ml. No need to do anything. Only just addition. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml or milliliters. So 4 liter will be 4 into 1000. Because liter is bigger than milliliter. So when you are changing from bigger to smaller, you will multiply. So 4 into 1000 will be 4000. And this is in milliliters. Now this is also in milliliter. This you add it. When you will add it, you will get 4079 millimeters. So in this way, children, you are going to solve. In this way, you are going to do the conversion. Now you are going to do the operations on measurements. That is the addition, multiplication, subtraction, all this. Now suppose this is a question given to you. How are you going to do? See, 469 meter, 45 centimeter. Okay. As you know, children, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So as the number up to 99 you can say centimeter. As it becomes 100, it will become meters. So now here 21 meter. Meter part you will write in the meter side. 21 meters. So 1, 2. Start writing from the right hand side. Okay, and then 9 centimeter. So this is centimeter 9. So 1 digit number. So here there is no number, so put 0. So to make calculation easier. Then 4 meter 2 centimeter. Meter part here, 4 here to write, and 2 centimeters in this. There is no number here, so let's put 0 to make calculation easier. Now you can add it. Now centimeter. 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. 1 carry, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 0 is 5. So 56 centimeter. Centimeter part you got 56. Now meter part. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So 4 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. And here below 4 there is no number, bring it down. So what number we have got? 494 meter, 56 centimeter. So in this way we can divide it. Sorry, so children, add it. Now 168 kg grams divided by 7. Now we are going to do division, children. First we have the addition, now we are going to do division. Now 168 kg, 28 grams is your dividend and 7. Now see the first number here. This 1 is smaller than the divisor 7. This is the dividend part. What you will do, you will take another number to make 2-digit number, and so we can divide it. Now read out the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, which is bigger than this number 16. So what you will do, you will take 2 times. 7 twos are 14. Now 16 minus 14 will give you 2. Then bring another number here. This is 28. Now 28 comes to the table of 7. How many times? 4 times. So write down 4 here. 7 4s are 28. So what, after subtracting you will get nothing. So what is there? Kg. After that write down kg here. Bring down another number 2 here. Now this 2 is also smaller than the divisor 7. So put 0 above. Then bring the next number here. 28. Again 28 comes in the table of 7 4 times. 7 4s are 28. So your remainder is 0. And here it is written grams, so answer is this. So what is your answer after dividing 168 kg 28 grams with 7 by 7? You will get 24 kg 4 grams. Then children, 79 kilometer 402 centimeter, sorry, 402 meters minus 15 kilometer how you are going to do this subtraction? Meter part from the right hand side. See children, in case of operation measurement, except division, all the things, addition, subtraction and multiplication, you will do from the right hand side, and division will start from the left hand side. So start writing from the meter part. You cannot subtract 7 from 2. What you will do, you will borrow from here. But here 0 is there, so you will borrow from here. So it will become 3 here, it will become first 10 here, and then because it will give 1 here, it will become 9 here, and here it will become 12. Now 12 minus 7 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now meter part is solved, come to the kilometer part. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 7 minus 1 is 6. So what is your answer? 64 kilometer 25 meters. Another example we are going to do now. 20 kg 350 grams multiplied by 4. Now this is multiplication part. So now 4 gram part you will start multiplying from this side. First you write down the unit grams. 4 5s are 20. So 2 can 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. 4 3s are 12. So 2 you will write here and 1 can this side. Now kg part is there. Write down here kg. 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 2s are 8. So what is your answer? 81 kg 260 grams. So children, in this way we do conversion and operations in measurements. Now it's a homework time. What you have to do? You have to revise chapter 15, that is time. In this we are going to do conversion of time, how to tell the time, how to write and read the time, and the word problems based on time. I hope you have understood this video and it will be helpful for you. With this, thank you and have a nice day.